Hi, I'm Rick, the owner and operator of Trade Secrets Inspections. Now let me start with saying, I know Ian has made this a very difficult time, but taking the time now to make sure that our comeback is successful is going to require some additional steps. So congratulations, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this and hopefully gain some understanding. The first thing to recognize is that storm surge and really any groundwater flooding is highly contaminated water. In our industry, we refer to it as Category 3, or generally it's just called sewage. So if you had this kind of water enter your home, there are concerns not just with things being wet, but things being contaminated. And this often affects things beyond the obvious and in places not generally considered. Second is the fact that many things did get wet and thereafter had a slow and long dry out period. Typically, mold and fungus can begin to take effect in an interior environment in as little as 48 hours. It is often in non-visible, non-readily accessible areas, and materials with elevated moisture contents, actually greater than only 15%, are great sources for food and water. Now, both of these issues can go easily uncorrected and get covered over, and if this is allowed to happen, the most likely result is a long-term health concern and ultimately another large, expensive fix on our interiors. So please continue to take the right steps and make sure that your interior living environment isn't the cause of further concerns in both your health and your wealth. Give Trade Secrets a call because we are mold assessors and we don't make money on doing repairs or remediations. We are independent of both your insurance and your service providers and your contractors. We represent you regarding the actual conditions and will provide you with the needed protocols to provide the remediators and the insurance companies. And we not only make sure the conditions are assessed accurately, but we also make sure it's done and finished correctly. Before you build back, regardless of the situation, have an independent inspection to ensure and verify the conditions are ready and safe to move forward and continue Florida strong. Remember, Trade Secrets Inspections, because you need to know.